The concept of rotating the view, layers or images in Photoshop are totally different. It is super confusing to the beginners. Please allow me to explain the difference. Rotating the views just changes the way you watch. For example, in the toolbar, you can find the Rotate View tool. You can click and drag everything into any angle. When you close the file without saving, the Photoshop will not warn you the file is unsaved. Next time you open the file, the image remains the same. Rotating the layers is something you will always do. You can easily use the free Transform tool to rotate this layer. The canvas and everything else will stay still. Rotating the whole images is the most confusing. If you rotate the image, the layers and everything in this image will rotate as well. And because in all computer systems, images must be displayed in a rectangular without any angles. So Photoshop automatically expands the canvas to a range that can cover the entire image. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way. And also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.